Why does your scanner show the P1162 engine code? What does it mean? P1162 is a diagnostic trouble code for lean A or F sensor, bank 1 sensor 1, circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates a malfunction in the circuit responsible for heating the AF sensor, which is crucial for monitoring and regulating the air-fuel mixture in your engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty air or fuel ratio sensor, wiring and connector issues, vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, improper sensor ground. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Peugeot, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.